why do you want to work with us? If it's a campus drive, it's a fresher, then probably you can say that, yeah, it's a definitely good company, or it's good company. My friends have worked here. I've got so much good feedback. I have very high regards for this particular company, and I want to work with this company. It's my dream company. This answer looks really good, and for a fresher, if you talk it in this manner, then probably it makes a difference. Okay, but more and more mature you get people, more and more, if you are applying for a role wherein you have experience, and then if someone asks you why you are working, why do you want to work with us, you have to do proper study about the company. See what company is currently doing, if there are any major acquisitions which they have done, have they acquired any new process, what is their business line, how it could help you. For an example, okay, this is what I would say. I really love this company. I wanted to be a part of this as soon as I heard the name of it, and the company is really doing something interesting. The plan that the company has, it has acquired so many new small companies, and all are into a small specific stream. So there is a particular plan wherein companies trying to expand here as well. So I really like this thought process. I want to be a part of the company where I could also grow with this good company that we have, and at the same time I will contribute so much which I have learned in my last organizations. So it would be a situation wherein like this. So not exactly this, but somewhat like this. You have to ensure that you do some study about the company, highlight few things about the company, and then let it sink into the interview.